Okay, so here's the plan. Today we're driving to one of the best spots here in Bali. And we woke up at 5:50 to get ready. It is now 6:10 and we meet at 6:15 at the Crate, the only breakfast spot which is open so early. Okay, maybe not the only one, but the first one we have found.
Das Einzige, was abgeht, das ist noch nicht mal.
Heißt das Frenchie?
Frenchie, ja. Okay, we need to go. It's now 7:15. We are here. We are not late. It is not us this time, not us. Okay, at least I'm not alone. Is it him? Yeah? So. Come on. I need to go. I need help. Guys. Putu, right? Putu, nice to meet you.
My name is Putu.
Putu, nice to meet you.
Nice. And what's your name?
Lars.
Lars.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Lars.
So we dropped our scooter here at the hotel because we have a driver for the day. It is much more convenient, so I highly recommend you to get a driver. It's a little bit more expensive, but I mean you can also leave your stuff in the car while visiting all the sightseeing places.
Möchtest du dich nach vorne setzen?
Okay, which problem do we have here? Okay, we have a seating problem here. Sitting in the back. We have major problems here. Major problems. Okay, where do we go first? And how long?
Lankana Suite, right?
Yes.
And how long will it take, Lankana Suite?
Maybe 3 hours from here.
3 hours?
3 hours.
Oh my god.
Okay, bye guys. I'm taking a nap back here.
From boat, 2 hours.
This is the plan for today. The Lahangan Suite is right over here.
And you're the cousin from Bayan.
And this will take us 3 hours.
Bayan is busy too.
Oh my god. 1.5 hours left.
Yep.
Yeah. 7 minutes.
How are you?
Not good. That's a crazy road here.
That's the crazy road you were talking about, right? So we are about to reach our first spot for today. To be honest, I have no clue at all where we go and what we see today because the ladies have planned the whole day. So it's gonna be a surprise. Honey, how you feel? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh.
We are way up here, guys. Way up.
Ah, you're still in the car, eh?
Yeah. No one let me out.
Tapi?
Terima kasih.
Oh.
Oh.
Ini kalau renjang ya.
Okay, we arrived. That's the first spot. 800 meters.
Yeah, also you can rent the scooter.
Okay. And then
No, thank you.
are we gonna walk? So we've reached the first spot for today, which is called, what is the name of it?
Langahan?
Langahan. What?
Lahangan.
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 Lahangan Suite, and we now need to walk another 800 meters to get there. You're also able to take a motorbike. We decided to walk. I mean, after driving so long in a car, we need some movement, guys. Okay, the way here is really exhausting. Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
Wonderful, and you?
I'm good.
Perfect. Nice.
Just for the entrance ticket.
So we are almost there. How far is it?
It's around 2 minutes again.
Ah, okay, perfect.
Ist klein oder?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? 2 minute walk, and then we're finally there.
Ja, ja, spannend.
Whoa.
Also ich würde sagen, dadurch, dass
Wow, it's really crazy here. I mean, you can see from up here the ocean, and we have so many platforms to look from, and they are already building the next one. I mean, you got this one right over here, which they are building right now, and here's another one, and there's another one. Wow! It feels like you are in the middle of the clouds. You are in the sky. Bro, what are you doing there? Look at that view!
das ist einfach das Meer.
Wow. This looks way better in real life compared to the camera. Okay guys, who's the first one? Oh, it's so cool up there. Oh my god!
Schatz,
I just crashed the drone. Oh my god! Oh shit!
Oh fuck, sieht kaputt aus.
Oh! Whoa! Oh no! Oh shit! Okay, that's a broken drone. Oh fuck! Oh god!
Ist die echt kaputt?
Ja, guck! Total Schaden.
Scheiße.
Oh fuck!
Alter.
Yeah, it's okay.
We are back.
Super pleasant. Host helped me to clean my FPV after swimming in rice fields.
So the reviews, based on the reviews,
Yeah.
there's a high chance that we get it fixed
Yes.
within one day.
Yeah, man, and I think oh fuck. I think the definition of arm and motor is pretty much similar because
The same, yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
because one motor is like,
No, with this
and I think he can
Victoria,
fix it like
Yes.
within a day.
Oh, bro, I really hope that, man. It would be so good.
But
I'm still shocked and my mood is a little bit depressed with the drone crash. I really would like to explain it to you, but it was just so dumb. I mean, there was a tree and I was flying and Fabian was walking and you know, I tried to get an orbit shot of Fabienne circulating around her and filming her while she's walking on this ship. Then I just flew into the tree and lost one propeller and one arm of the drone. Oh! You look so different! Okay, they changed. We are now at the second stop. I also need to think positive because it is our last day here in Bali and forget about this drone crash and everything what just happened. Like I just said, with my sunglasses you can repair and fix things, and it also could be worse. It is only a drone and no one got injured from us, so we are now at the next stop. Okay, it really doesn't look that special, but to explain it to you, there are the rice fields and the clouds now covered the mountain, but on our days you can see the mountain with the rice field, the rice terrace, and it just looks really beautiful. But I mean, there are clouds. We can't do anything about that now.
Let's go.
let's go.
That's exactly what life of a content creator looks like behind the scenes.
Man.
Go back and forth and to take pictures, and Fabian changed as well. Ready?
No.
Why?
Okay, zweiter Spot.
You know, it's like when I'm vlogging and filming myself and talking to the camera, I speak English and Anthony is speaking German, and it just sounds so weird when there's one vlogging and talking to a camera in a different language than I am.
What's up, baby boy?
Okay, next up.
A waterfall.
And it started to rain.
Okay.
What you got?
Bananas in pajamas.
The real 2,5
Hab ich das geliked?
quick break here. Our time today is limited and we still have 2 spots. Next up is the Tugat Chipung waterfall. Fabienne took medicine, Anthony took medicine, and they both feel really bad. We don't know why. They don't either. We just hope that they get well soon. How do you feel, bro? Annie, how do you feel?
Ich film dich.
Can we go there or? Ah, waterfall left, right. Yeah, we can go to the left and to the right. It seems like that there are 2. Whoa. Which way? This way? Okay, this way here to get to the waterfall is really everything but easy. We have to take off our shoes because this is the only way to get to the waterfall. Whoa! Oh my god! Who's gonna be the first one? Do you wanna go in or not?
No.
So, last stop for today, the so-called Keramas beach, and the special about this beach is that it's completely black. I have never seen such a beach before, you?
No.
Whoa! Look at the sand here. Black. Complete black. That's crazy, right? I mean, even the water is black. Have you seen it? Whoa! What is the problem?
The gimbal is not working.
The gimbal is not.
We've got no luck with the drones today.
Yes, that is only the 2 of us because Anthony is still not feeling good at all. But it's also our last evening in Bali. Tomorrow we're leaving already, which is crazy how time flies by. But this is also the reason why I'm gonna wait to enjoy our last evening here together. Anthony, we're gonna see that. I wish you all the best. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Baby.
Sieht ein bisschen aus wie Rembo, ne? Ein bisschen.
Bist du denn hier angekettet?